Today we learn 4 important English prefixes: in, im, ill, and All 4 prefixes mean not or the opposite of something. They change a positive word into a negative word. Inactive means not active. Impossible means not possible. Illegal means not legal. Irregular means not regular. Here are the simple rules for each prefix. Use ill before words starting with L like illegal. Use before words starting with R like irregular. Use im before words starting with M, P, or B like impossible. Use in before all other letters, like inactive. In is the most common prefix. Incorrect means not correct or wrong. Invisible means cannot be seen. Informal means casual or relaxed style. Inactive means not working or not moving. Remember, in works with most letters except L, R, M, P, and B. Im goes before M, P, and B sounds. Impossible means cannot happen or cannot be done. Imperfect means not perfect or has mistakes. Immature means not grown up or childish. Impatient means cannot wait or gets angry easily waiting. Ill only goes before L words. Illegal means not allowed by law. Illogical means does not make sense or not reasonable. Illiterate means cannot read or write. Illegible means cannot read writing because too messy. Only goes before R words. Irregular means not normal or not following pattern. Irrelevant means not important or not connected to topic. Irresponsible means not careful or does not do duties. Irritable means gets angry easily. See how prefixes change word meanings. Active becomes inactive, meaning working to not working. Possible becomes impossible, meaning can happen to cannot happen. Legal becomes illegal, meaning allowed to not allowed. Regular becomes irregular, meaning normal to not normal. Quick summary of all rules. All prefixes mean not or opposite. Ill before L, before R, im before M, P, B in before all other letters. Now you know exactly which prefix to use with any word.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.